In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to install and set up WhatsApp on your iPhone. So WhatsApp is a messenger. And so the first thing you need to do is go to the Apple App Store on your iPhone and then tap on the search function. And then go to search and just search WhatsApp. Okay. And then from the results, this is WhatsApp Messenger. That's what it looks like by WhatsApp Inc. So make sure you're installing the correct application. So just go ahead and tap on the install button and have the app installed onto your iPhone. So with the app installed, you can either launch it from here by just tapping on open, or in future, you can just look for the app icon in your home pages. We have it right here. So I'm just gonna launch it from here. And when you launch WhatsApp for the first time, this is the screen you're going to see. So let's go ahead and set up WhatsApp. And every WhatsApp account is tied to a phone number. Okay, so this WhatsApp account is going to be tied to a phone number. So make sure the phone number you want to set this account for is accessible. So it's either on this phone or maybe on another phone where you can receive a confirmation code. But it works best when it's on this phone. So I'm just going to tap on agree and continue. And then I'm going to put in the phone number. Okay, so this is a personal preference. It already detected my country. So I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'll put in the phone number I want to use my WhatsApp account with. Once you put in the phone number, just tap on next. Now WhatsApp will obviously try to verify that phone number by either sending a text message or making a call. So it's going to ask you, is this the correct number? I'm just going to tap on yes, just to confirm. And as you can see, they're currently sending a code for confirmation. But because my SIM card is inside this phone, the text message should come right on this phone. So once you get the code and it's entered, it's going to try to validate the code just to ensure that you're the correct person. Now, since I've used WhatsApp before, it's going to prompt me to restore from iCloud. So this is some backup that I'd saved at an earlier period of time. But if it's the first time you're setting up WhatsApp with this phone number and this account, you'll not see this page. So I might as well just skip this for now. And then it's going to ask if WhatsApp would like to access your contacts. Now, you might have to allow this even if you don't like the idea, because WhatsApp depends on contacts. How do you want to share contacts? So I'm just going to share all contacts. And then on this page, you can edit your profile. So you can put in your name. I'm just going to put in that name. And then you can also add a profile picture. So you can tap on that and then either take a photo with your camera, choose a photo from your gallery, or use an avatar. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and choose a photo from my gallery. Okay, I'm just going to pick that photo just like that. Then tap on choose and then tap on done. So it's going to ask you, do you want to add an email to protect your account? So what the email does is it can help you verify your account even without SMS. Email helps us reach you in case of security or support issues. Your email address won't be visible to others. So if you want to set up an email address for your account, you can do that from right there. Otherwise, you can tap on not now and do that later if you want to. And now you're ready to start chatting. Okay, so this is where your chats are going to be. This is where you're going to have your calls. Status updates are going to come here together with channels. And that's it. Then you have the settings here where you can adjust a few things. You can change the privacy settings, account settings, chat settings, notification settings. All that stuff is here. But that is basically how to set up WhatsApp on your iPhone. So to set up the first chat, just tap on the plus, choose a contact. For instance, I can choose this contact, and then I can send a message like that, hi. And like I said, if you now go back, you'll notice all your messages are going to be listed here, your conversations. So that is basically how to install and set up WhatsApp on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. If you found this video useful, don't forget to leave a like and possibly also subscribe for more tips, and I will talk to you soon. Good luck.